Every time you type google.com into your browser, the website opens in seconds. But computers don't actually understand website names. They only understand IP addresses. So how does your computer know where google.com is located on the internet? That's where DNS comes in. So DNS stands for Domain Name System, and it works like the phone book of the internet. Instead of remembering complicated IP addresses, we simply type website names like youtube.com or amazon.com. DNS converts those names into IP addresses. Now let's see what actually happens behind the scenes. Imagine you type youtube.com into your browser and press enter. First, your computer asks a DNS server, what is the IP address of youtube.com? The DNS server finds the correct IP address and sends it back to your computer. Now your browser knows exactly where YouTube server is located. And finally, the YouTube website opens on your screen. This entire process happens in just milliseconds. Now, behind the scenes, multiple DNS servers help complete this process. First is the DNS resolver, then comes the root server, then the TLD server like .com, and finally the authoritative server returns the exact IP address. But doing this entire process every single time would slow down the internet. So computers use something called DNS caching. Once your computer learns a website's IP address, it temporarily saves it in memory. The next time you visit the site, it loads much faster. So in simple words, DNS is a system that converts DNS is the system that converts website names into IP addresses. Without DNS, we would have to memorize IP addresses for every website we use. And that's DNS explained simply.